I'm Jenna, and the question that I want to ask all of you is, why does a scholarship even exist? Okay, I hope it didn't come off too harshly, but this is a scholarship for female students in science, meaning that the point of the Science Ambassador Scholarship is to incentivize women to pursue science-related careers. While it's empowering to know that there are so many smart, capable females judging and participating in this competition, it does bring a very important issue to light: the underrepresentation of women in STEM fields. The gender disparity becomes very obvious in a college environment. Here, I looked at several technical colleges with about 40% or over admit rate to better show what I mean, as schools like MIT can artificially select a ratio because their admit rate is so low. The school I go to, RPI, has a gender ratio of about 69% male to 31% female, and other similar tech schools like RIT, WPI, Virginia Tech, and Rose-Hulman have similar disparities. On the other side of the coin, Harvey Mudd College made history in 2014 by graduating more females than males in engineering for the first time in U.S. history. 2014. And while the scholarship is focusing on undergraduate education, the higher you go in degree level and position, the less likely it is to be female, meaning that fewer females are tenured or are on tenure track positions than are postdocs than are PhD students. To further muddle things up, there's a systemic implicit bias against females in STEM. When the same resume was sent out to 137 different principal investigators, prospective male employees were viewed as more competent and received higher starting salaries when compared to their identical female counterparts by both male and female principal investigators. Now, you might think this problem is better now than it was 10, 20, 30 years ago, but this is not necessarily the case. Take computer science. In the 80s and 90s, 37% of computer scientists were female, and now it's less than 17%. Why is this? Because video game companies decided that gaming was strictly a male thing, and started marketing games only to males. How do we fix this problem? While programs like this are great to help current females in science, how can we set our society up so that we can develop and retain female interest? Implicit biases can be incredibly detrimental and are often societally introduced. The AAUW noticed that females with a higher degree of implicit gender biases were less likely to have a STEM-related career in the future, and psychologists in Geneva note that students conform to gender roles more when they are exposed to more gender stereotypes. If efforts are made to remove gendering from children's environments, both males and females will develop fewer implicit biases, helping to solve part of this problem. A second thing that can help alleviate this disparity is having strong female mentors for young girls interested in science. Research has shown that people are more likely to pursue a career if they can see themselves in it, and a way to do that is to have strong role models. This is a big problem, and it's not going to be fixed overnight, but together we can do it.